This one right here is a must try. Trust me, you are going to love it. Just wait till the end to see how it all comes together. Let's get started. This is the quantity of rice we want to use. So I'm taking this earthenware bowl, so I'll be able to soak this type of pepper because that's what I want to use. It's dry and I had to soak it for a while before it becomes soft for me to grind. So while we take off other thing, let's just immerse it in some water. For flavor, I'm going to be chopping some onions. You want to add enough onions to your Anguamo, that way it add or it builds the flavor. So that's what I'm doing right here, and this is the quantity. Let's get into the next stage. Into a pot on fire, I'm going to go in with some oil, and I added a little bit of butter to it, and now I'll put in my sliced and chopped onions all together. You want to fry this for about 2 minutes. If you want it to be brown a little, just go ahead and fry it for some extra 1 minute, and then go in with your washed rice. You want to stir this very well to bring everything to a good mix. However, you can use any type of oil you prefer. I used vegetable oil. I let this simmer on the fire for some time, then I went in with some water. Now if you like your rice very soft, just add more water to make it to your preference. If you don't want it to be soft, then just do it as you see right here, and then add some salt to taste. Now we want to cover this in few minutes. This is what we have right here. Our rice is just getting there. Yes, so I want to flip it over a little so the top can also go down, in order that I'm not doing it vigorously to break my rice. So just gently like this. And now you want to get a clean napkin, a clean napkin or a clean tissue or a clean baking paper. Yes, you want to do that, and then cover it with the napkin. I'm using the napkin, so I want to cover these with the napkin, and to be able to trap the heat and bring my fire to low in order for the rice to cook very well. While that is taking its time to cook, now we want to grind our pepper. By this time it looks soft, so I'm just going to wash my earthenware bowl like this, and then I'll add some onions to this. I want to add a lot of onions whenever I'm grinding my pepper, so you can add some more to it if you prefer more. I added some salt to taste, and I'm going ahead to grind this until it's smooth. You want to grind it very well. You can also use any type of pepper, habanero pepper, scotch bonnet, whatever pepper you prefer. Just go ahead and use it to suit your preference. I introduced some tomato. I know some people do not add tomato to their Anguamo pepper, but I prefer to add tomato to my, okay? I don't want my mouth to get burnt. I want to enjoy every bit of this Anguamo. So yeah, after grinding, I'm just going to take parts and then keep it, everything, okay? Everything, and then I'll keep it in a separate bowl. This asanka right here, we are not going to wash it, okay? We'll dish our Anguamo into this, so we'll need it for later. Just set it aside, make sure you cover it so it doesn't get dry, and then we just check up on our rice once again. And at this stage, you just take it off and you can see the steam, you can see the rice has come out beautiful. Everything is just nice, the texture, everything is nice at this stage. And yeah, our rice is done. If you want it to stay on the fire for a while to maybe get more water out of it, then go ahead and leave it, but make sure it's on low heat. Now that we've set our rice aside, we'll be frying some eggs. And you know, with Anguamo, you can't do without egg. It's either you fry or you boil it, so whichever one you prefer, go ahead and do it. So I added some onions and then tomatoes, some salt, and I'm going to beat these until everything gets smooth and everything comes out very well. Into a fry pan on fire, I went in with some margarine. You can use butter. I just wanted some extra flavor. Yeah, after I spread it very well, and I'm going to get some sausages chopped. If you do not like sausages, fine, you can take out that. So I'm going to fry these sausages until they turn a bit brown. Until they turn a bit brown, just as you see right here. Just take your time. Everything should be on low heat. You don't want to be fast with everything and get everything burnt. So just make sure that you achieve something like this, and then now it's time for us to take it from the fire. And this is okay. Now into the same pot, we'll be frying our eggs from earlier. Fry your egg very well, and now you just have to flip it over when you realize that everything has just settled like this. Flip it over. If you don't let it get to this stage before you flip it over, it's going to break into pieces. So I'm just dividing it into two because yeah, I want to save some for later. Okay, so now it's time for us to dish our rice. Everything is just ready, and it's time for us to dish our rice. So you can dish this in a bowl or dish it in this. Okay, imagine having pepper beneath it and having pepper on top of your rice. This heat, okay, it heats so well, it tastes so good. You can see because of the low heat, our rice is still intact. Okay, look at it, look at the kanzo. Okay, look at the kanzo, it's not black, it's just nice, and this is something you can eat. It's also not hard as well. So I dish it with my egg, sausages, sardine, and I'm going to introduce my pepper. You can use the green pepper, yellow pepper, which one you prefer. Just use to suit your preference. Don't stress yourself, but make sure you take your time and fry everything very well. I bet you will love it. You will not regret trying this recipe. Okay, you will not regret trying it. If you like tolo beef too, just go ahead and add your tolo beef, and then now it's time for us to just enjoy this beautiful meal. It looks good, and let me tell you, it tastes better. So give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. That this video helps you, and then I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and do not forget to subscribe for amazing content like this. See you soon. Bye.